Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Bhavna Shri C from CSA department studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. So today I'm going to explain about the topic case study India use of plastic waste constructions. So let's get into the slide. Transforming waste, a case study on India's innovative use of plastic in road constructions. Introduction. This presentation explores India's innovative approach to utilizing plastic waste in road constructions by integrating recycled materials into infrastructure projects. India aims to address both waste management and road durability issues, setting a global example for sustainable development. The plastic problem. India faces a significant challenge with plastic waste generating over 9 million tons annually. Much of this waste ends up in landfills, harming the environment. Understanding this issue is crucial for implementing effective recycling solutions and promoting sustainable practices. Innovative solutions. To combat plastic waste, India has pioneered the use of plastic in road construction. This involves mixing shredded plastic with bitumen, resulting in roads that are more durable and weather resistant. This innovative method not only reduces waste but also improves infrastructure quality. Case study overview. This case study focuses on several projects across India where plastic waste has been successfully integrated into road constructions. These projects highlights the collaboration between government, industry and local communities in addressing the plastic crisis while enhancing infrastructure. Environmental benefits. So, utilizing plastic waste in road significantly reduces the amount of plastic pollution. It also decreases the need of traditional materials, leading to a reduction in carbon emissions. This approach supports India's commitment to sustainable development and environmental conservation. Economic impact. The integration of plastic in road constructions has positive economic implications. It creates new jobs in waste management and construction sector while also reducing road maintenance costs over time. This model promotes a circular economy by turning waste into valuable resource. Challenges faced. Despite in its benefits, the use of plastic in roads faces challenges including public awareness, regulatory hurdles, and the quality of recycled materials. Addressing these challenges is essential for scaling up this innovative solution and ensuring its long term success. Government initiatives. The Indian government has launched various initiatives to promote the use of plastic in road constructions. These include policy, frameworks, funding for research, and collaboration with NGOs to enhance public awareness about the benefits of recycling plastic waste. Case study examples. So here are some example. Notable projects include roads in Bangalore and Mumbai that have successfully incorporated plastic waste. These projects serve as models for other cities, showcasing the potential for scalable solutions in the plastic waste crisis through innovative engineering. Conclusion. So, India's approach to using plastic waste in road constructions explains the sustainable solution to pressing issues. waste management and infrastructure development. By embracing innovation, India can lead the way in creating a more sustainable future for urban development. So, thank you. Please do subscribe my channel and thank you.